How do we manage if we have to keep number of loose papers? We keep these in a folder, right? Similarly, we can create folders in a computer to store computer files. What is a computer file? It is similar to a traditional file that we can find in an office's file cabinet. In computer, any self-contained piece of information that is available to the operating system and individual programs is called a file. A file can be a document, an image, music, or even a movie. To keep several files at one place, we create a folder. Windows Explorer on the computer window helps us manage and view the hierarchy of folders on our computer. We can create a file or folder in any of the drives in the computer. We can create a file or folder in the desktop too. After creating a file or folder, we can rename it, copy and paste it at other location, or simply move from one location in the computer to the other location. We can also delete a file or folder if we don't require it. If we manage our files and folders well, it saves us a lot of time and helps us work more efficiently. To manage files and folders, we need to be able to work with files and folders.